Link building is building links to a website from other websites to increase traffic and rankings. Link building can be done in several ways, including blogs to create backlinks, guest posting, and paid links. Links are important because they allow search engines to crawl your site and rank it higher in the SERPs. Search engines use links as a ranking factor. These links tell search engines that your site is worth considering when the user searches for the topic you have linked to. These are the steps for effective link building. First, you need to find out who your target audience is and where they are found. Next, you will need to create content that appeals to them and is helpful for them. The next step is to market that content effectively, such as through social media or email marketing. The last step is to optimize that content with keywords, links, or other resources to make it more searchable on the internet. As a content marketer, the more links you have to your content, the better it is. So it's essential to find new link opportunities. There are many ways to find link opportunities. One of them is through manual research. You can search for websites linking to related content and contact them about links to your content. Another way is using Mozbar for keyword research. Spotify also has a feature called Discover Weekly, where they'll suggest songs similar to what you listened to in the past week, which can lead you to new blogs or artists with relevant articles or music that might be worth linking out to. The last tool is BuzzSumo, where you can find popular posts on any topic. This will help you see what works for other marketers in your industry, and links are a crucial factor in determining how well a website ranks on search engines. Google uses links as a ranking signal. Links from other high-quality sites and the quality of the content on the linking page determine the weight of each link. That is why it is important to look at the number of links and what those links are linking to. A link from an authority website or a website with high domain authority will have more weight than one with lower domain authority. The number of incoming links to a given web page indicates how important the site is. The more incoming links, the better. However, it is also essential to look at what those links are linking to. A link from an authority website or a website with high domain authority will have more weight than a link from, say, blogspot.com. Link building is one of the most important aspects of SEO. It makes it easier for search engines to find your site and rank it higher in their search engine results pages. It also creates a more compelling experience for your website's visitors, which is great for SEO rankings.